soda, clean ingredients. Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm making some kale greens. Okay, so keep watching. I have 1.07 pounds of smoked turkey necks. So let me add them to the 4 cups of water I have in the pan here. Okay. I'm gonna cook the turkey necks for 40 minutes. Cloves of garlic, 1 whole onion, and 2 celery stalks. So let me go ahead and chop those up. I cooked this a little longer than 40 minutes, about an hour in this pan here. So I'm gonna remove them now, and I'm gonna start on the greens. I'm gonna leave the juice from the turkey neck bones in the skillet here. I'm gonna add a little avocado oil, about a tablespoon. Add the onions and the celery. Okay, I added 2 stalks celery and 1 whole onion, and I'm gonna let this saute for a little bit. Okay, before I start adding the greens in there. These are the ingredients I used. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I haven't added the cayenne in yet. I will wait till the greens are almost done and I will taste them at that time. We have salt, and I will add some pepper flakes in the pan after the greens are cooked. And then I have the apple cider vinegar. I have 1 tablespoon of sugar on this plate. I have 3 cloves of garlic I chopped up, 1 teaspoon of salt, and you see here I have the onion powder and garlic powder, and also a teaspoon of paprika in here, smoked paprika. There it is right there. Your collard greens the same way if you like. This is a very good recipe. It's a southern kale recipe that I use with collard greens and kale, okay? Let me let that cook for about another 5 minutes before I start adding the greens. These are the washed greens here. This is 12 ounces of kale greens. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the other seasonings in the pan here, garlic, paprika, and the sugar. All of that's going in now, okay? It smells so good in this kitchen. Ooh, smells like a holiday. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the greens in. Okay, let me add about 4 cups of water. Okay, I'm gonna add the 2 tablespoons of vinegar in there. All right, and like I said, I'm gonna wait a little while. I'm gonna add a pinch of pepper flakes in there, but I'm gonna wait until they get done and see if I need to add the cayenne pepper in there, okay? All right, I'm gonna place a top on this, and we're gonna let it cook for about 40 minutes. And while it's cooking, I'm gonna make some cornbread to go with dinner. I already made some pasta in that pot there. So let me go ahead and start on the cornbread. I got the turkey necks. I'm letting them cool off. I'm gonna use 1 cup of cornmeal. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's about a self-rising flour to it. Use about a cup of that, cup of flour. Mix this up. I'm just cooking cornbread for 2 people. So I'm gonna add some oil. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 egg. And then I'm gonna add some water to it. Okay. That's about the consistency you want for your cornbread. See how easy that was to make? Okay. Then we're just gonna place it in this pan. I'll place it in a 350-degree oven for about 18 minutes. Okay, I'm taking the meat off the bone. So I'm gonna stop the camera because it's gonna take me a little while to get all the meat off the bone. Okay, I took all the meat off the bone, put it in the pot. I'm gonna let it cook for probably another 15 minutes, okay? Okay, I'm gonna take the cornbread out of the pan. Some non-stick pan, so it comes out fairly easy, okay? I cut the bread up for us. We got black-eyed peas, we got pasta, Alfredo pasta, and the greens are still cooking here. I'm gonna let them cook a little bit longer, okay? Subscribe. Thanks for watching. The greens are really good.